Ma'am, now can you hear me?
Yes, yes, I can hear you. Can you see me?
Yes, ma'am. Clearly. She's my sister-in-law, Mona Lisa Sharma, and she will
What's
talk to you, ma'am.
Hello, what's your name?
Mona Lisa Sharma.
Okay, tell me about yourself.
Myself.
Yes.
I'm tall
Okay,
and very, very shrewd.
very,
Very
very.
shrewd.
Oh,
Shrewd.
okay, okay. And what do you do?
Because
What
I
do
was
you do?
working as a teacher.
Okay.
Teacher
What
as
did
a profession.
Hmm. So what do you teach?
Uh, all things. Like I started teaching as a travel grade.
You used to teach about travel.
Yeah.
Okay.
How to
You
make bookings and all, and
Okay,
how
okay.
to create bookings.
Okay. So tell me about your
That
family.
was my family.
Yeah.
It's a very small family. My
Okay.
family here, it's my
Okay.
father, mother. That's it. My father, my
Yeah.
mother,
Yeah.
and yes, my brother and his children.
Okay. Okay.
And they just love me.
Okay. Yeah. And you also love them?
Sorry?
You also love them, right?
I do very much.
Yeah. Since you love them so much, that is why they have to love you, right?
Oh, yes.
Yeah. Tell me something interesting.
Yeah. One thing is that I love cricket.
You love to?
Cricket.
Oh,
To
you
watch
love
matches
cricket.
and all.
Oh. So
Yes,
did
too
you
much.
watch the World Cup cricket this year?
Yes, I did.
Yeah. We were
But
also hoping
unfortunately,
India to win, but in
I
semi-final
know
we lost. Tell me about the
because
semi-final.
the
Yeah.
thing is that our captain is not well.
Hmm. So who is your
MS
best?
Dhoni.
Who is your favorite player?
Favorite player.
Yeah, favorite
Every player
player.
is good.
Oh, every player is good.
Every cricketer.
Okay.
Yeah.
And do you watch movies?
Because sorry,
Do you watch movies?
I do. I used to, but now
O-
I'm not.
Okay, now you
I'm
don't
not
watch
glued to
movies?
it.
Okay,
No, because
okay.
I don't like them
Hmm.
somehow.
So what do you do in your free time these days?
Nothing much.
You have two nephews?
Yes,
Okay.
two
So,
nephews.
okay. So you talk to them all day when you are free?
What?
Okay.
Yes, I do. But one is like too much.
Okay.
Younger one is like too much.
Okay.
He keeps on chattering and keeps on telling me कि बुआ आप ऐसे चलो ना ऐसे चलो ना ऐसे चलो ना.
Okay. So are they naughty?
Not really, but yes, younger one is much.
Okay. And the elder one,
The
he's in which class?
elder one, he is sixth standard.
Sixth standard. Okay.
Yes, and I like to teach him, but he does
Okay.
not come to me
Oh,
because then yeah, he knows that I'm going to really thrash him. Thrash him in the sense in words,
okay. Okay.
word
Got
way.
it. Got it. Yeah.
I would like to, yeah, I would like to tell him that yes, the way you have written, it's not good. So that's why he doesn't come.
Okay. So you ask him to improve his handwriting.
Yeah,
Okay. And he doesn't work on that.
yes,
And the younger one, he comes to you and he talks to you.
too much. He's here only. He's here only.
Okay, call him also.
Yeah,
Yeah, what's your
he's
name?
here. Viom.
Viom. Viom, I've heard that you talk too much.
Yes,
Okay.
he's saying yes.
Oh. So tell me something about your bua.
हाँ, बताओ मेरे बारे में. She is very tall. She
Oh,
is saying
she's
that
very
she's
tall. Very tall.
yeah.
Okay. And what else? What do you like about her?
And can walk.
She can
Oh,
walk.
okay. So when you walk away, she can catch you, right?
Yes.
So tell
I
me
mean,
about,
all the time he's saying that.
yeah, yeah.
बुआ आप ऐसे क्यों नहीं चलते आप ऐसे क्यों नहीं चलते आप ऐसे क्यों नहीं चलते.
Oh, he wants you to walk a certain way. Yeah.
Yeah. Yes.
So does he go to school?
Yes, he does.
In which class does he study?
Second.
He is in second. He's saying
Oh,
that.
class two. Okay. So
Yeah.
who's your best friend, Veo?
Aditya.
Advitya.
Sharma.
And how many girlfriends do you have?
Aditya.
Advitya. Okay. And Veo, how many girlfriends do you have?
I am
Oh.
shy.
Ah, you are shy.
I'm trying.
Oh,
Yeah.
your English is very good.
Who? Me?
Yeah.
My English, I don't know, but I've learned like the everybody else.
Yeah.
And how my English has improved, I don't know.
So do you
Probably
watch? Yeah.
I don't watch anything because I cannot walk and go to
Mhm.
the TV.
Okay. Do you watch
Otherwise,
English
yes,
content on mobile?
not really.
Okay.
I don't like that.
So till when were you working in the travel agency?
Yeah, I worked as a teacher to try
Right.
and train them to
Okay.
work in travel agency.
Okay. In which year? When did you leave that job?
2009,
Oh,
I
okay.
left it.
Okay. Since then you have not been working.
Uh, like since that time only. For
Okay.
that, I was working too
Okay.
much.
Okay.
And student, every student of agency, they used to call Mona ma'am, Mona ma'am, Mona ma'am.
Okay.
Everything they used to ask me.
Okay. They were so fond of you, huh?
Fond of me, why? Because the way I used to teach them, they used to like it.
Okay.
The ma'am, the way you teach us, it's really nice.
Yeah. Okay. So are you still in touch with some of them?
Not really.
Okay.
I don't want to get in touch. Seriously.
Okay. Why?
Because I'm not working now
Okay.
and I'm like this sitting. So I
Okay.
don't want.
Okay. And do you have any friends?
Friends?
Yeah.
Every person is my friend. Seriously.
Okay. So
See, the Chotu?
Vyom is your best friend, right?
Yeah. Yeah. He is there already sitting with
Okay.
me and smiling now.
Okay, Vyom, does Bua tease you?
Well,
Does Bua tease
Does
you?
Bua tease you?
No.
No? You enjoy talking
No.
to your Bua? Oh, and he tells you jokes?
Um.
Yeah,
Sometimes.
sometimes. And does Mamta also want to talk to me?
Yes.
Mhm. Hello, ma'am.
Hello,
How
how
are
are
you, ma'am?
you? I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, ma'am.
Okay,
I'm good, ma'am.
okay. So
Actually,
you,
I was following you from last 2 months,
okay,
and this is my first conversation with you.
okay.
And I want to improve my English, but there is some hesitation in myself, so I'm not able to in front of anybody.
Okay, you are not able to talk in front of anybody.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you are able to talk when you are alone, but as soon as someone comes in front of you, you become nervous. Is that the problem?
It's never come out in mouth.
Words don't come out of your mouth.
Yes,
Huh?
ma'am.
Okay.
It's
So,
in somewhere in my mind, but it's never come in my mouth.
okay. So words are there in your mind, but they never come out of your mouth, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Actually, your sister-in-law speaks English well. You should practice with her every day because she speaks well.
Actually, ma'am, she is suffering from some new problem.
Yeah, I got it.
So she needs some rest also.
She is not supposed to talk too much, you mean to say.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I this day I want to connect her with some people like you. So she will motivate or she can connect with other people also.
If she's
Actually,
connected to other people, otherwise she feels very lonely, right?
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
And she sits in her room only
Okay.
because she can't walk, ma'am.
Okay. She stays alone all day and kids spend some
Yes, ma'am.
time with her. So that is why you
Yes,
want her
ma'am.
to be able
He
to
and
talk
kids
to other
are.
people.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I all the day I'm watching your videos and other YouTuber videos. I watch the cartoons with my kids only.
Okay. In
And
English?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah.
I also write choose some topics and write few lines uh, about the topic also, ma'am.
Okay.
And my birthday comes 26th October.
Okay, Vyom, tell me, how did you celebrate your last year's birthday?
Ma'am, he is also very familiar to you.
Okay.
He also watch you on YouTube with me.
Okay,
So
you
he
watch
is
my
very
videos?
excited to meet
Okay.
you.
So, Vyom, when was your mother's birthday?
You know? No, in July, 16th July.
16th July. Okay. So, and when is your brother's birthday?
he is my brother.
Your birthday.
Okay, tell me, when is
Do you
your
remember?
birthday?
26th October.
Okay. So, how will you celebrate your birthday this time? Tell me something about it. What do you want on your birthday?
Some gift and party.
You want a party and you want a
gift and fun too.
Gift and fun
and do
too.
you want a cake? Which cake do you like?
Chocolate.
Oh, you want chocolate cake. And what do you want to be written on the cake? What should be
Happy
written on the
birthday.
cake? Happy birthday,
Happy
Vyom. Oh, great. Okay, what gift do you want on your birthday?
I don't know. Sure.
Oh, you are not sure. Okay. You are not sure, but still you can tell me what all gifts you want.
Video control card
Okay.
And
Video control car. Wow. And a cycle. And
and a cycle.
you have a bicycle, right?
Yes, I have, but the bicycle is so expensive.
Okay.
Mm.
Okay. So you want a small gift because bicycle will be expensive, right? So thoughtful. Great. Do you love your brother?
Yes,
Does he fight with you?
yes.
Mm.
Okay.
I fight so much. And there is my brother.
Okay.
So crazy.
He's running away. He's running. Yeah, Mamta,
yes, ma'am.
I'm telling you, you were saying that you become nervous in front of people when you want to talk. Words are there in your mind, but
Yes,
they
ma'am.
don't come out. Actually, stop thinking that the other people who talk in English are superior to you. They are not. If you learn French and I don't know French, then will you be superior to me? No. It doesn't matter. If I know English, I worked on it, so I am good at English. If you work on it, you will also be fluent in English. So stop thinking that the other people who are speaking in English are superior to you. Then you will have confidence and your hesitation will go.
Yes, ma'am.
And for improving your English, you start watching English movies and cartoons with your children. You already watch cartoons, right?
Yeah, I do, ma'am.
Okay, which is your favorite cartoon, Vyo?
Projectors.
Which one?
Speak.
Do you watch Doraemon?
Projectors.
Okay. And do you watch Doraemon?
Very much.
Yes.
Okay. So do you watch Doraemon in English?
No, it doesn't relate.
It
Come
doesn't
in
play in
English.
Hindi. It doesn't play in English. But we can change the language. There is an option. We can change the language. So you watch, you know which cartoons I like? I like Shinchan. I like Doraemon. And
Shinchan, I watch too.
you like it? Yeah, I love it. It's an amazing cartoon show.
My sister watched so much.
Oh, your sister watches Shinchan so much. Where is your sister?
My she's
She is going to the school.
She go to the school.
She go to the school.
So she's right now in school?
Yes, my two,
My cousin sisters.
my cousin sisters.
Okay, she's your cousin. So you are two brothers, but she's your cousin.
I have two sisters.
You have
Cousin
two
sisters.
sisters. Okay.
Cousin sisters.
So do you like to play with your cousins?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, Mamta.
Yes, ma'am.
What a lovely conversation. I really enjoyed talking to your sister-in-law,
Ma'am,
your
thank
son,
you
and
so
you.
much for your time and your effort. It means a lot for
Welcome.
me, ma'am.
Okay. So all the best to all of you. Yes. Okay. Well, goodbye. Enjoy your birthday.
Bye.
Okay. Bye-bye. Have a nice day, all of you. Okay,
Thank you,
Mamta.
ma'am.
Bye. Welcome.
My birthday is so far.
Yeah, it will come. Don't worry. Okay. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Goodbye. Have a great time.